This is an R tutorial. Got 2 minutes? Learn some statistical programming in R. It's easy, free, and fun. This tutorial how to import and export data to and from your Windows clipboard with R. This is kind of fun, but moving data to and from your Windows clipboard can be risky because you don't have a record. That is a script file in R that says where the data went or where it came from. Anyway, here's how you can do stuff. Let's make a character value Z, put it inside of the right clipboard function, and now this character value, hi, how are you doing, is in my clipboard. If I go over here to this spreadsheet program, this is OpenOffice, not Excel, but it's close. If I hit Control V, it's pasted what I pulled from the clipboard here. If I click on this cell and hit Control C, and then use the read clipboard function, and put no parameters inside of that, hit Enter, and it's got what I've put in my clipboard. I can save that result into X, and now X has the contents of my clipboard. Let's lay this out a little nicer. Alt-W-H to lay it out horizontally. Note that you cannot pass a numeric value to the clipboard. It must either be character or raw. So if you want to pass a numeric value, you can just use this command as.character really quick and convert it to character. Now if I go over here and hit Control V, I've got my 789. Great. Let's load a data table to the clipboard. Here's empty cars. Here's what the empty cars data table looks like. Now I'm going to use the write.table function. The first parameter is going to be the data table. The second parameter is going to be quote clipboard quote. And the third parameter is going to be sep equals quote slash t quote. Run that, and now I've got this data table on my clipboard. If I go over here and hit Control V, it's going to, what's going on? Well, it wants to know how it's parsed out. It's separated by tab. Hit Enter, and now I've pasted my clipboard. I'm going to make I've pasted the contents of my clipboard to Excel or OpenOffice or whatever spreadsheet program I'm using. I'm going to make a couple of changes to this table. Okay, now I've made the changes. See them? I just blanked out a bunch of records. And now I'm going to use the read.table function with quote clipboard quote in the first parameter, sep in the second parameter, and header equals true in the third. And now I've got my table read in with all the changes. Wow, we just read in an entire table from a spreadsheet from the clipboard with R. Are you happy? I sure am. This has been a work of art.